Hi, my name is Nguyen. I'm in biology co-op, and I worked at Sunnybrook Odette Cancer Center in the Rapid Response Radiotherapy program for all 5 of my co-op work terms. So I worked in the Rapid Response Radiotherapy program where we worked with palliative cancer patients. So a lot of our research was mainly focused on quality of life and supportive care. So our research was aimed at determining whether the treatments that we gave patients actually improved their quality of life as opposed to other objective endpoints such as how long a patient would live, for example. I think a good employer really invests in their students, and I was lucky to have had that at Sunnybrook. And they really give the student room to work independently as well as work as a part of a team, and I think that's really important to gain the skills to be innovative and be creative in your work term, but also work well with others. I was personally interested in healthcare, so that's what I looked for. And I wanted to work at a large healthcare center and working mainly in oncology, and that's why I was lucky to have found this job as well, because it's always been an interest for me since high school. I think it's important that employers look at students who are very willing and able to learn and are enthusiastic about the job. And I actually didn't have any healthcare experience prior to Sunnybrook, so I think that was an important part as well, because employers, I think, to get the most out of their students, they kind of have to be willing to teach them a bit, because the students are very willing to learn. So the best part for me in working at Sunnybrook was that I really was able to decide that I wanted to pursue medicine, and I think that was a really important choice for me because it's such a long road. And to have had a lot of clinical exposure and patient interaction, I think, was really rare for students, as well as a lot of exposure to research and a lot of hands-on experience. So we didn't just conduct the studies that were ongoing, but we got to initiate our own studies. We had to write our own papers and present our own research as well. So I think there's a lot of combined things that I got out of Sunnybrook that I think would have been difficult to find anywhere else, actually.